Hello and welcome back to Everything April YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the easiest method of drafting a short sleeve pattern. Please watch to the end of the video. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you. I have cut out a piece of paper that will be drafting my basic sleeve on, and I have my paper on fold, and I folded using the circumference of my armhole. The armhole circumference I'm working with in this video is 17 inches, and I have about 19 inches width of paper, and I have about 9 inches of length for the paper, and I have it folded into two. I'll fold my pattern paper into two to cut out my sleeve. For me to draft out this sleeve, I'll be calculating the cap's height I'll be working with for this sleeve. And for us to get our cap's height, we have the formula bust circumference divided by 12 plus 0.5. And the bust circumference I'm working with in this video is 38. So 38 divided by 12 will give me 3.1666, and I'll add 0.5 to this measurement and it will give me 3.666, which I approximated to 3.75 to cut out my sleeve. So I'll be marking out my cap's height, and the cap's height I'm working with is 3.75. From my start line, from the sleeve head, I've marked out 3.75 inches, and I'm drawing a line across it. Then I'll be measuring my sleeve length. The sleeve length I'm working with is 8 inches. So I'm marking from my start line, I'm marking out 8 inches, and I will rule a line across these points that I've marked out. Then I will impute half of my armhole circumference on my cap's height line, and my armhole circumference is 17. 17 divided by 2 is 8.5, so I'll be imputing 8.5 on the cap's height line. Then I'll be connecting this line to the start line. At the inner part of the start line, I will draw a line across from the 8.5 point I made to the start line, like you see me do. Then I will take the measurement of this line I just drew, and I have 9.5, and I will find the middle of this line. I will divide 9.5 into 2, and I would note what I have on the line. I'll find the center of the line, and from that point I would go up by 0.5 inch, and I will draw a line to connect these 2 points. Then using my armhole curve, I'll be connecting the 0.5 inch I came up by to the sleeve head. To the sleeve head, I would connect these 2 points together as you see me do. I'll connect from the 0.5 I came up by to the sleeve head, like so. And using a straight ruler, I'll connect the 0.5 inch to the armhole circumference, half of the armhole circumference on the cap's height. This will form the back sleeve where I would connect to the back armhole. For the front armhole, I'll be connecting from the sleeve head to half of the straight line we initially drew, like you see me do. I would connect from there to the sleeve head, like so. Then turning my armhole curve, I would connect also from that center line to the cap's height where we have half of our armhole measurement, and this will form our front sleeve armhole, where we'll be connecting the front sleeve to the front armhole. So the front curve is for the back, while the lower curve is for the front armhole. Well, we'll first cut out the back. When we are cutting out the sleeve, we'll first cut out the back armhole, then we'll open up our sleeve and cut the front armhole. Then on our sleeve length line, our sleeve length is 8 inches. On the sleeve length line, I'll be imputing half of my round sleeve circumference, that is the circumference of the place where the sleeve would stop. And for me, my round sleeve circumference is 13. 13 divided by 2 is 6.5, so I imputed 6.5 on the sleeve length line. Using my armhole curve, I'll use the less curvy part of my armhole curve to connect this 6.5 inch I've made on the sleeve length to the cap's height where I have half of my round armhole. I'll connect the 2 points like you see me do. You can also use your straight ruler to connect these 2 points together. And that's it for our sleeve. That's it for our sleeve, short sleeve pattern. I would label the sleeve length as SL and the cap's height as CH. Then I will not be adding any allowance on my pattern. I'll just cut it out as it is, and when I'm drafting on fabric, then I can add my allowances. So I'll go ahead and cut out my pattern. I will cut the back sleeve first. I'll cut the back sleeve first. Then I will open up my pattern paper and then I would cut out the front armhole. I also labeled the back of the sleeve as B and the front of the sleeve as F. And this brings us to the end of our short sleeve tutorial. And this is it for our short sleeve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.